The 2026 Jeep Compass is a compact SUV that combines everyday practicality with Jeep's adventurous spirit, making it a smart choice for drivers who want comfort in the city but also the confidence to explore rougher roads when needed. On the outside, the Compass shows off a bold design with Jeep's iconic 7-slot grille, slim LED headlights, and rugged bodylines that give it a tough yet modern look. Its size makes it easy to handle in traffic and tight parking spots, while still offering enough presence to feel like a true SUV. Inside, the cabin feels both stylish and functional, with updated technology and quality materials that make it comfortable for daily driving. A large touchscreen in the center controls most features, including navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and entertainment, while a digital driver display keeps important information clear and easy to read. The seats are supportive and spacious for a compact SUV, with plenty of room for passengers and flexible cargo space for groceries, luggage, or gear. Under the hood, the 2026 Compass offers efficient engines and an available hybrid option, delivering strong fuel economy without sacrificing capability. For those who like adventure, Jeep's 4x4 system and terrain management features allow the Compass to handle dirt roads, snow, or light off-road trails with ease. Safety is also a key strength, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking included to keep both driver and passengers protected. Altogether, the 2026 Jeep Compass is a well-rounded SUV that blends style, comfort, technology, and off-road confidence, making it a reliable companion for both city life and weekend getaways.